McDonald's is introducing its Daily Double Burger to the national menu through the end of 2025, building on its McValue platform. The Daily Double features 2 seasoned beef patties topped with melted American cheese, shredded lettuce, slivered onions, mayo, and 2 slices of tomato. Starting July 22nd, the Daily Double will be a new entree option in the chain's McValue Meal Deal bundle, priced at $6 or $7 depending on the market. The meal deal includes a choice of select entrees, a 4-piece chicken McNuggets, small fries, and a small soft drink. This move is part of McDonald's efforts to gain back traffic losses, particularly among low-income consumers. The company is also working to turn around 2 rare and consecutive quarters of same-store sales declines. Despite recent challenges like these, McDonald's stock has historically attracted and retained investors by performing well, due in part to its large dividend payouts. The company has increased its dividend payment annually for 40 years in a row, making it a member of the dividend aristocrats family. McDonald's Dividend has grown at a compound annual growth rate of 7% over the last 10 years and 14% in the previous 20 years. McDonald's is also launching Lil McDonalds Happy Meals on July 1st, featuring 21 mini toys inspired by the brand's signature features, such as miniature McDonald's signs, restaurants, drink machines, and boo buckets. These meals will be available nationwide through August 11th. According to Anna Engel, Director of Marketing, Brand, Content, and Culture, the Lil McDonalds Happy Meal is a joyful tradition that creates lasting memories for both kids and adults, sparking imagination and creativity in children. The Lil Happy Meals include a digital component, Drive-Thru Dash, a game where kids can choose a manager, race to take orders, and accumulate points as they dash through the drive-thru. To promote the new meal, McDonald's will host a Lil McDonalds experience at Santa Monica Place in Los Angeles on July 19th to 20th, featuring toy-themed play zones, photo opportunities, and a Chicken McNuggets-inspired ball pit. Families can also engage with Lil McDonalds digitally by scanning Happy Meal boxes to play the Drive-Thru Dash game, using the Play Place Finder in the McDonald's app to discover nearby restaurants with play spaces, or downloading a free digital placemat that transforms any table into a Lil McDonald's play zone. This initiative aims to bring the magic of McDonald's to life, encouraging imaginative play and family fun. In some unhappy news, McDonald's is facing a week-long nationwide boycott starting June 24th and running through June 30th, organized by the People's Union, a grassroots organization. The boycott is in response to McDonald's decision to retire its diversity goals in January and rename its DEI team the Global Inclusion Team, citing a shifting legal landscape. The People's Union is also protesting against practices like tax avoidance and underpaying workers, with goals of fair taxes, ending price gouging, real equality, and corporate accountability. McDonald's has responded, stating that their commitment to inclusion remains steadfast, providing opportunities for over 800,000 restaurant crew members and generating billions in taxes annually. They welcome honest dialogue but are disappointed by misleading claims distorting their values. The effectiveness of the boycott remains uncertain, given McDonald's robust global brand and franchise structure. The People's Union has also targeted other major corporations like Amazon, Home Depot, and Walmart, planning an economic blackout of Starbucks in July. This movement is a counter-movement to a push to end DEI programs, led by conservative influencer Robbie Starbuck, which gained momentum after the June 2023 Supreme Court ruling against affirmative action in college admissions and an executive order ending DEI programs in the federal government. A similar boycott at Target earlier this year coincided with sales and traffic declines as well as a slashed full-year outlook. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.